How to find the nearby Telegram users on your Telegram. To start making new friends, open your Telegram application, click on your profile, and then click on the people nearby. People will need access to your location to use this feature. Once you tap on the allow uh, location, just because you allow the Telegram access, it doesn't mean that you're going to be visible right away. Once you give a Telegram permission and move on to the next step, you will see the Telegram users near you. At the top of the list, you will see different options to create a group. Swipe all the way down, and you will see nearby groups created, your location. You can see how many members are in each group. And when you enter a group, you can see the last thing they mentioned, and you can also be the part of the group. If you don't see any groups like, you can always create one yourself. Tap on the create a local group and then simply add the members that are nearby. Conclusion is, some might think that use Telegram nearby people is a security risk, but it is not. If you use it on the right way, you won't face any type of security challenge with you. This was the video. Thank you so much for watching it.